Hey, it just seems like this is the illusionary world. It just come like everybody stuck in our assimilation because I've never heard anybody being cured from any doctor medication. Yet they are on top. Can you imagine? But we have heard stories and testimony from persons being rejuvenated because the only word cure, being neutralized by herbal remedies. Should we have to advertise? But let me do the oxymoron. Have you ever seen a Chinese advertisement about food? Never. You know why? Tell me the answer in the comment section. KTV Foundation have produced a one for all. The holistic eight system: circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, endocrine, lymphatic, reproductive, and urinary system